custom shape tools and liquifying in creating another abstract background. So let's start with creating a file. Of course, you have this one 11 by 14 size of canvas. So what we are going to do is we are going to pick up some of the custom shape tools here at the you just right click the mouse and choose custom shape tool. On top you have here the custom shape tools and the available shapes. You just click the drop down arrow and then add all, then click append for whatever is available shapes in your Photoshop. So you have here plenty of custom shape tools. So say for example you wanted to use the butterfly shape as your background here. Okay. So you click the custom shape you want and change the color. So in this case I decided to use pastel color here in my swatches and then click OK and then drag to create a custom shape butterfly. So as you can see, it creates another layer, shape 1, and then another color again, or you can just simply make a random shape using the same color in your canvas, just like that. So it created several layers with the same color and shape. Okay, and then let us have another color, the pink one. If you make you want it to have darker, so you can adjust the or pick the darker side of the palette and then distribute all the custom shapes. So actually there is no specific position of these shapes, so you can do it randomly. For as long as it is properly distributed. Then we use another color, violet. Do the same thing, random. You may actually want or choose the color that you want or preference. And then I'm going to use blue again. So we already have a lot of layers here, about 47 layers. Means to say I have plenty of custom shapes applied with the same shape. So make sure that all of these symbols are properly distributed. Okay, we are now going to apply the Liquify tool, but for the Liquify tool to take effect in the entire shapes, we have to merge all of the shape here in your layer. So click the first and then hold down the shift key. Hold down the shift key and then click the last layer that you wanted to merge. And then right click. Then you can see the merge layers. So you already have two layers, the background and the merge shapes layers. Okay, so here let us start applying the let's start applying the liquify. Click filter, liquify, and then we'll be using another type of liquify tool, which is called twirl clockwise tool. So in our last episode, we used this turbulence tool. Now, this time we're going to use the liquify. So since it seems that our brush size is a little bit bigger or quite bigger, we have to adjust it one. Here you can drag this slider down so that you could have a smaller brush size. So you can retain the brush pressure and brush rate. So let's start. This is the twirl clockwise tool. So you have to move the brush clockwise while holding down the left mouse button. And then move the mouse. Ayan. That's it. So this time is different. The shape now is quite different from the other one we had in the previous lesson. So again, while you are moving the mouse, do not forget to hold down the button. You can do some adjustments if you're not satisfied with the effect, actually. The custom shapes also contributed to the effect of the twirl, right? So if you are contented with the result, then you can click OK. So this is now the result. Very nice, right? So if you are contented with the result, again, you save your work and then you also save a JPEG file. That's how you use the custom shape tools and also the filter liquify tool in creating an abstract background.